Hi friends, myself I am Ashwati Shaji, first MCom Finance and Taxation, St. George College, Arivithara. Today I am talking about the topic international investment. At the end of the discussion, we can find out what is international investment and all about it. First, I would like to introduce what is international investment. Foreign investment occurs when a company or individual from one nation invests in assets or ownership stakes of a company based in another nation. International or foreign investment is the process by which the resident of one country acquire the ownership of assets for the purpose of controlling the production, distribution, and other productive activities of an enterprise in another country, which means investors in one part of the world may find a variety of combinations of equity and debt instruments being traded in some other part of the world. Significance of foreign investment. Foreign investment links the host economy with the global markets. Foreign investment is a major source of capital. There is a strong relationship between foreign investment and economic growth. Foreign investment also helps in improving international trade. It encourages upgradation of technology. It boosts up scale of production. Greater competition from new companies can lead to productivity gains and greater efficiency. FDI generates employment. The local population may benefit from the employment opportunities created by new business.
Start.
Limitations of foreign investment. First one, hindrance to domestic business and investment, which means foreign firms or products in market as a result of foreign investment increased competition and reduce the profits of domestic business. Second one, political risk, which means political risks have significant effect on foreign investment and decisions relating to foreign investment. Political changes lead to political risk. Third one, influence exchange rate, which means it will be detrimental to one country and beneficial to another. Fourth one, may not be economically viable, which means it depends on various host country, industry, and economic factors. So, foreign investment may not be economically viable always. Fifth one, distort the pattern of development of the host economy, which means investors choose the investment priority according to their profit maximization criteria. Types of international investment. International investment mainly classified into two. The first one, foreign direct investment, and second one, foreign portfolio investment. Let's see in detail. Foreign direct investment. FDI is a form of cross-border investment. FDI occurs when a non-resident investor invests directly in facilities to produce or market a product or service in a foreign country. It is an investment in a foreign country where the investor retains control over the investment. FDI is defined as an investment involving participation in the management of a domestic firm in one country by an enterprise or investor resident in another country, which means FDI refers to the investment process whereby resident of one country called the source country acquire ownership of physical financial assets for the purpose of controlling the production, distribution, and other activities of an entity in another country called a destination country. Types of FDI. FDI classified on the basis of nature of business, motive based, and asset based. On the basis of nature of business, FDI are classified into three heads. First one, horizontal, second one, vertical, and third one, conglomerate. Horizontal FDI occurs when a company invests in the same business abroad that it operates domestically. And vertical FDI occurs when a company invests in a business abroad with the object of locating different stages of production in different countries. Conglomerate FDI means when a firm invests abroad to manufacture products or offer services that are not offered by in the home country. On the basis of motive, FDI classified into four heads: resource seeking, market seeking, efficiency seeking, and strategic asset seeking. Resource seeking means to acquire the assets of foreign firms so as to promote their long-term strategic objectives, especially advancing their international competitiveness. Market seeking help the multinational enterprises to establish global strategic alliances or acquire local firms. The motivation of efficiency seeking FDI is to rationalize the structure of established resource based or market seeking, so the investing company can gain from the common governance of geographically dispersed activities. Strategic asset seeking help the investors to acquire assets overseas, often enter firms with the aim to enhance their capability portfolio in the home country or in third country markets. FDI can also be classified into greenfield investment and brownfield investment on the basis of asset. Greenfield investment means FDI that result in the establishment of new factories and plants from the ground up in the foreign country is called greenfield investment. Brownfield investment means it occurs when a company or government purchases an existing facility to begin new production. Modes of FDI entry. Following three modes can be opted for foreign direct investment into an economy. First one, wholly owned subsidiaries. A wholly owned subsidiary is a company that is completely owned by another company called the parent company or holding company, wherein the foreign investor owns 100% shares of the new firm in the host country. Second one is joint venture. A joint venture is a contractual business undertaking between two or more parties. In joint venture, the partnering companies share the equity and a separate firm is formed for the joint venture. Third one is mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions result in the transfer of existing asset from the local firms to foreign company. Foreign portfolio investment. Foreign portfolio investment is an investment by non-resident entities in shares, bonds, etc. of Indian companies. In foreign portfolio investment, the investor is interested only in the returns. Investing in equities, bonds or other securities of Indian entities by non-resident entities are portfolio investment. It is investment in financial assets denominated in foreign country's currency, which means foreign portfolio investment is the entry of funds into a country where foreigners deposit money in a country's bank or make purchase in the country's stock and bond markets, sometimes for speculation. Types of foreign portfolio investment. Foreign portfolio investment mainly classified into two. First one, foreign institutional investment. It means an entity established or incorporated outside India which proposes to make investment in India and which is registered as a foreign institutional investment with the SEBI. Second one, investments through DRS and convertible bonds. Depository receipts, foreign currency bonds, foreign currency convertible bonds are instruments issued by Indian companies in the foreign market for mobilizing capital from a foreign country. Thank you for hearing.